Alright, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, all that good stuff, whatever time it may be for you. Thank you for tuning in. This is another little mail call video, I guess you could say. Kind of unexpected. I haven't opened it yet, but goodness gracious, there's some weight to this thing. I did slice the top with my scissors just to get this part right here a little easier. But let's see. Grumpy's got some major social anxiety. I'm doing good behind the camera and behind the keyboard to try to come out of it. That's what I use my YouTube for, is a therapy. I battle chronic pain all over my back and my neck mainly. Gives me neuropathy in my hands, numbness and tingling and just a bunch of crazy stuff. But anyway, I've been meeting so many awesome people in these communities that I've been joining into, and I just call it a creators community because everybody on YouTube is a creator. Whether you're just making videos of birds flying around, you're creating a video, you know, so everybody's got a talent. And I've been introduced into the slingshot community, and there's some awesome folks in this community. And, with that being said, I got a package from Mr. Kyle Bazzy. I met him through Knuckles, Mr. Knuckle Bustin' Numbskulls channel, and he's got a slingshot channel. I have to look that up. I'll put it in my description. But this is okay. Right off the bat, I'll have to look to see what that is. I know that's a piece of wood, no doubt, something I can turn. But I have to look at the species. And that's another piece. That's a good little size too, though. That's worth it. Thank you right there. Let's see. What is that? That's a tight green in there. Alright, I'm babbling. Let me get on to it. And this was in the package. Christmas time here. Oh goodness, that's cool. Oh heck yeah. Heck yeah, dude. It just made my day. This is so cool. Now I wanted to do a sticker trade with Mr. Bazzy. And wow, I got some stickers. This is awesome. Thank you, I like that sticker, that is too cool. Awesome. I'm gonna put one of them on my lathe, one of them on my lathe wall. I like that. I like the colors too. Oh, and some Target stickers. A crafty storm I can't hide. Glue on my fingers, paint on my nose. Creation blooms, oh wow, dude. This is too cool, man. I greatly appreciate this, every bit of it. Alright, y'all can't see everything yet. It's all in my lap. This is too cool. I like this. That is cool. Alright. That's cool. Okay, y'all can see in the background. This is what I did when I found this community. Everybody's making slingshots and everything. I said, I gotta try that, but I wanted to do it but this is a piece of cedar fence board. It's got a split in it, and so unless I can coat it with some epoxy and sand it all back down, I don't really want to band it and try to shoot it. I'm afraid I'm gonna break that one. But it's cool. I got a video on there. This is number 2. I'm gonna be doing some different stuff on there. Y'all can see I got a little face going there. I like to carve wood spirits and stuff like that when my hands work with me, so that's what I'm trying to do to that one. But anyhow, Thank you. I love it. That is just too cool, and I like the bubble effect going on in there. That is too cool. Now, did you mold and make this? I can see a seam in there a little bit. That's pretty cool. Like a mold, and then you poured the resin in there. I like that. I like the color. Green is my color. That's cool. I'm gonna have to go play with that in a little bit. The squirrels better look out. Shit, I better look out. I'm gonna get in trouble. Look, now you might need to set me up a little a little doghouse room. I might be in the doghouse with my wife though. I got a pecan tree in the backyard, and the squirrels give me a fit every year when it comes ready with pecans, and so I never get my pecans, and I threaten to get them every year, and my wife gets on to me. I won't hurt them. But that's awesome. Some ammo. That is cool. Now I have to look at this. Is this like clay, or is this just like little resin? I am completely new to the slingshot world here. Last time I used a slingshot, I was a little kid, and it was one of them little yet creamish white ones that had the little split and had the funky hard rubber band with a little pouch on there. I mean, it was a good little shooter for me when I was a kid, but that's the last time I played with one. Like I said, I was excited when I made this one, but I put a little pressure on there, and there's a crack right here in the frame, because there's no support in there. But this is awesome. Extra bands, I reckon. Yeah, I love that. That's cool. He's going up here in my box. I will put him in here in my box, or glue him on my lathe. I'm gonna put him somewhere. There you go. I'm gonna put him right up in the corner of my box. That is just too cool. Thank you so much, Bazzy. I don't know if you want me to call you Kyle or Bazzy, but Mr. Kyle, Mr. Bazzy, I appreciate that. And then, right there, you get the squirrels. Heck, I imagine that'd get them squirrels. Goodness gracious. Again, I feel so blessed. I've run into some awesome people in the community. Some awesome people. And I'm broke on a budget, tight budget, but I have so much stuff I want to try to get shipped out to folks, and because I've had so many people be nice and send me some awesome stuff, and I want to repay the favor, but it's like gets tight, you know. So I'm doing my best. I will get there though. That is just too cool. And what species of wood is this, Mr. Bazzy? I'm curious to know. But I can dang sure if it's hard enough, once I turn, I can pretty sure make some clips out of these. That's for sure. I have to throw them on the lake and see what we got. But awesome. Thank you, Mr. Bazzy. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate this. This is just too cool. I like that. I like the shape of that. I'll have to get used to seeing how that fits better. I like it like that. I like the way it grips like that and points forward. I think that's how you should hold it, huh? Like that. And then, alright. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is just too cool. I love these stickers. They're awesome. I will have a link for Mr. Bazzy's channel up in my description for sure. Everybody go check it out. Awesome guy. Awesome community. This is just too cool. And this was just unexpected and an awesome little goodie bag. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, this is just made my day. There's a bunch of awesome people still out there in this crazy old world. And YouTube is definitely letting that be known. This is cool. Thank you so much. Everybody don't get seasick. How I just took you off the mount. But yep, I'm fixing to put stickers up through here. So let me pause y'all and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back in the box. I got Mr. Bazzy sticker right here. And that's a cool sticker. I like that. Fits in my vibes with the little peace symbol and everything. That's just too cool. But everybody go check out Mr. Bazzy's channel. I will have a link in my description for sure, and then everybody else's channel up here, their link will be in the description as well. But we're gonna start off right here. I got to go through my stickers. That's Professor Rusty. He's got a good channel going on. Y'all go check him out. He gets in there with Mr. DeLand's Handmade Woodworkings, and they do a live on Thursday nights. And then he also gets in there with what is it, Off Track Syndicate, and they do some lives. But go check out Mr. Rusty's channel. You got Larry and Darren Dibbs from Two Brothers One Vision, and Larry does Wowie's Workshop on YouTube. And these 3 stickers right there, that comes from Larry right there, to be a lighthouse. That's it right there. Shine your light. And a lot of people's been shining their light my way, and I greatly appreciate it. You got Robert C. Peters Piper, little hot pepper with bloodshot eyes, little pipe in there. Y'all can't see all that good, but awesome channel, awesome guy. Y'all go check him out. Ray and Sandy's. I gotta move this frog there. Ray and Sandy's Woodworkings. Y'all go check their channel out. Very cool. Mr. Johnny at Johnny Lathe. You gotta go check his channel out. That's where I got this right here from. This was a piece of Bocate, I think is what you say. It's darkened up because I didn't seal it, but it does get a little bit lighter when you turn it. But I sealed it with wax and oil, so it's darkened back up on me. But that's an awesome piece of wood. And Mr. Johnny sent that for me to turn. And, but it's awesome. I'm gonna keep it right there. Unless Mr. Johnny, if you want that right there, I will send that to you in a heartbeat, sir. I greatly appreciate it. That was a fun piece to turn. But let's see, you got Miss Francis here at Beadin' Crazy Custom Creations. She does some awesome resin work and diamond art and all kind of cool stuff. Y'all go check her channel out. She's doing a cool thing. You gotta be subscribed and check it out. You'll see what it is. Let's see, Dad Carves. Check him out. I don't know if I said him or not. Michael S. Y'all gotta go check Michael S. out. He does some welding. He doesn't really have some clips channel set up yet, but he's got some clips in there. Trying to encourage him to get him a channel going. I would watch it and support all the way. He's always in my comments with some awesome comments. I greatly appreciate that. You got Josh and Casey from Creation Dust 777. Josh, awesome artist with the chainsaw, all kind of gouges and rotary tools and stuff. When he cleans up his pieces, it's just too cool to watch. Casey does some cool film work. It's awesome. Baron the Boss Lady, awesome guy, cool chainsaw stuff. He's getting awesome on that power carbon too. Everybody's got awesome talent. Sean, Pin on Fire. Perry's Creations, the Carbon Wizard, awesome. Oh, my arm's getting tired. Got a lot of stickers in here. I appreciate it, y'all. Sophie, Under the Bark, awesome channel. Josh, Electric Whittler, awesome channel. Suzanne Rhinestone, Suzanne, awesome channel. Old Path, Old Path Woodworks, awesome channel. Roy at Timber Art Techniques. Mr. Roy, he's got a good channel. And then, of course, Majority Johnson stickers. You know, I've used Dremels playing around with my roach clips before, but never nothing serious until I found his channel. I'd made my roach clips and I wanted to know how to do wood spirits and stuff like that because I wanted to do the wood spirits on my roach clips. And so yeah, that's what brought me to Jordy Johnson. So yep, I will always watch Mr. Johnson's videos for sure, for sure. That's my blong from Two Brothers One Vision too. I love that. It says right here in my box. My pipe for Mr. Robert C. Peters that he made me. That's my grumpy pipe. Y'all check him out. He makes some awesome little 420 pipes. It's got the glass bowls. You can pop the bowl out to clean it. I got a little pipe cleaner hung on there so I can have it hung up right here when I'm not using it because I love my grumpy pipe. And let's see. It's all my stickers in there, y'all. And then of course my extra to go out there. And let's see, yeah, it's one right up. I put on there for Mr. Rusty. And then I got another one for Mr. Michael. That's down here welded. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then again, I got this goodie bag from Bazzy. This is awesome stuff right here. I'm gonna turn this up and I'm gonna see what kind of roach clips I can make for sure. Want to start on it tonight, but it's too late. I'm gonna have to wait a couple of days. But this is awesome. I greatly appreciate it. It is so cool. And I've already took this outside and shot it a couple of times in between the sticker pins and stuff. So yep. Awesome, y'all. Check out everybody's description. Or not. Check out my description and go check out everybody's channel. A link for everybody will be down there. Y'all have an awesome day. And it's just YouTube is awesome. There's a lot of good people out there. I love it. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay awesome. Thank you.